Part 8 po ng ating Science Majorship Enrichment Questions. Start po tayo number 1. What is the main component of rust? Letter A, ferric oxide. Letter B, ferrous oxide. Letter C, aluminum oxide. Letter D, magnesium oxide. Pwede po natin i-pause yung video. Ang answer po natin, letter A, ferric oxide. Siyempre po kapag nag-answer tayo, rust ang usapan, tanggal po agad si C tsaka si D. Kasi po, ang rust po, iron po yan. No? Gawa po yan sa iron. Now, ang pamimilian na lang po natin, ferric oxide o kaya ferrous oxide. So, ang sagot po natin is ferric oxide, Fe2O3 or iron 3 oxide. Okay? Yung ferrous oxide po, FeO or iron 2 oxide. Magkaiba ng oxidation state yung dalawa. Okay? Next, what is the largest gland in the human body? Letter A, liver. Letter B, pancreas. Letter C, thyroid. Letter D, adrenal. Ang answer po natin, letter A, liver. Okay? Ano po ba yung mga glands? Sila po yung nagsisecrete ng mga chemical substances. Okay? They secrete chemical substances, no, na may mga specific purposes po like hormones, enzymes, yan, sweat, o kaya oil. No? Sila po yung nagre-release niyan. Now, recall lang po natin yung two types of gland. Basically, we have endocrine at saka meron tayong exocrine. Kapag endocrine po, directly nire-release nila yan sa bloodstream. Okay? Ano po yung halimbawa niyan? Fat, pancreas, adrenal, thyroid. Okay? Kapag exocrine naman po, meron silang mga ducts. Okay? Ano po yung halimbawa niyan? Kasama po dyan ang liver. Okay? Tsaka yung mga sweat gland, oil gland, mga salivary gland. Example po yun ng mga exocrine glands. Now, yung liver, ano po yung sinisecrete niya? Yung yellowish na substance, tawag po natin bile. Para saan yung bile? Sa digestion ng fats. Okay? Next, number 3. What is the name of the telescope launched by NASA in 1990? Letter A, Hubble Space Telescope. Letter B, James Webb Space Telescope. Letter C, Spitzer Space Telescope. And letter D, Chandra X-ray Observatory. Ang answer po natin, letter A, Hubble Space Telescope. Okay, ito po ang knowledge level po. Ang James Webb Telescope para po yan sa early universe. No? Kapag Chandra naman po, sa mga high energy events po yan like black holes, mga neutron stars, yan. Next, number 4. Which organ is known as the master gland? I believe nabanggit po natin to dun sa mga previous videos natin. Ang master gland po natin ay yan, pituitary. Ang thyroid, control yan ng pituitary. Okay? Ang adrenal, ganun din. Ang pancreas, ano yung kinokontrol nito? Kinokontrol ng pancreas yung blood sugar level natin. Okay? Next. Number 5, what is a diode used for? Letter A, amplifying signals. Letter B, storing energy. Letter C, allowing current to flow in one direction. Letter D, reducing voltage. Ang answer po natin, letter C, allowing current to flow in one direction. Yung diode, yung component niya, yan, parang ganyan yung yung itsura niya. Yung nag-amplify ng signal, ano po yung nag-amplify ng signal? Pwedeng transistor. Okay? Parang itsura niya, parang ganun. Yan. Yung storing energy, alam po natin, capacitor yan. Capacitor yun. Parang medyo bilugan siya. Tapos, nag-reduce ng voltage, pwedeng resistor. O kaya, transformer. Itsura ng resistor, syempre yan yung kinocompute natin dati noong college. Tapos, may mga color yan. Okay? Next, number 6. What is the largest moon of Saturn? Letter A, Europa. Letter B, Ganymede. Letter C, Titan. Letter D, Callisto. Ang answer po natin, letter C, Titan. Okay? Number 7, the escape velocity for an object to break free from Earth's gravitational field is approximately letter A, 11.2 kilometers per second. Letter B, 15 kilometers per second. Letter C, 24 kilometers per second. Letter D, 50 kilometers per second. Ang answer po natin, letter A, ito po knowledge level. Okay? So, tatandaan na lang po natin siya. Next, number 8. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched by humans? Letter A, Apollo 11. Letter B, Sputnik 1. Letter C, Voyager 1. Letter C, Hubble Space Telescope. So, the first satellite or artificial satellite launched by humans is letter B, Sputnik 1. Okay? Sino po yung nag-launch niyan? Yung Soviet Yun. Okay. During the, yung tinatawag po nating space race. Okay. Next, number 9. What is the name of the first PC virus? Letter A, brain. Letter B, my doom. Letter C, I love you. Letter D, Sasser. Ang answer po natin, brain. Okay? Pero kapag ang question po, first computer virus, ang sagot po natin dyan, creeper. Okay? Tapos kapag first anti-virus program, ang sagot po natin, reaper. Okay? Again po, first PC virus, brain. First computer virus, creeper. First antivirus program, reaper. Alin po dyan yung gawa ng Pilipino? Ito, I love you virus. Okay? Nung 2000. Next, what is the most commonly used programming language for AI? Letter A, Python. Letter B, Java. Letter C, C++. Letter D, Ruby. Answer po natin, Python. Okay? Python. Kahit ChatGPT po. Yan ang ginagamit.